everyone, today's move of the week is an advanced row. I want you to take a nice good dumbbell and you're gonna hold it horizontally. So heavy dumbbell, horizontal, both hands on dumbbell. Now you go on one leg, come forward, you row, you release, and you come back up. Again, forward, row, release, come back up. So it's advanced because you are on one leg and both hands are on the weight. It's much easier if only one hand is on the weight. The other one helps you with the balance. Well, one way to make it a little bit easier is you go on a stagger stance. So back foot, toes on the floor, bend your leg that you're working on slightly with the knee. Come forward, still your back is straight. You're doing your row, your release, and you come up. So less of a balance component. Now you're really focusing on squeezing your lower back, your mid back, your glute of the supporting leg, and you're still doing the row. Again, horizontal weight, both hands are on the weight, that's the important part. So your arms are not helping you with the balance if you are on one leg. And even if you're not, you still have a little bit of a balance component and you're doing a strong row for your back. That's today's move of the week. Thank you.